Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily fade audio in Premiere Pro. Now this can be useful for a number of reasons. The main one probably being music. If you wanted to fade some music out and you wanted to fade it into you talking or fade it into another song or something like that, I'm going to show you exactly how we can do that now. So to start with, you just want to have your video in your timeline. Zoom into exactly where you're going to fade the audio. In this example, I'm just going to fade this last bit out and set it from the normal volume down to nothing. So the way in which I'll do this is I'll first click on the audio. If yours are linked, they'll both see selected, but that doesn't actually matter. And then we can come onto this effect controls tab. Now, if you can't see this, you want to go to the top and choose window. And then from there, we can see this effect controls. We just want to make sure this little tick is next to it. We want to make sure it's enabled basically. So after that's done, we can come back to here. And the way I would do it is basically with keyframes. To start with, you just want to first select where you want the audio to fade out. In my case, it's going to be here, so I can just choose here. And on this bit where it says level, 0 decibels, you just want to click this little keyframe button. So what this will do is it will set a keyframe, and that basically means the start point in this example. Since we've just put the first one down, this is the start point. Since all the audio was 0 decibels before, and this one's 0 decibels now, this is where it's going to start at 0 decibels. So let's just say you wanted to fade it out to absolutely nothing, you can't hear it at all. What we would do is we'd drag it to the end where the audio ends, as you can see here, and we just want to type in something like -50, something where you can't actually hear it at all. And if we drag this down and have a look, as you can see, the level now fades out. Now this is actually another way you can do it. You can use these, but I find it easier to use this, and it's more controlled using the actual keyframes itself, rather than like trying to guess what level you want it at. I mean, it can be a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. But if you just wanted to fade your audio out, that's what you'll do. And the same with if you wanted to fade it in. But it's basically just the opposite. So what I'd do if I wanted to fade it in is I'd go to the start, keyframe it at -50, and then we can go forward to where we want the audio to begin. Let's just say here, for example, and then we can set this to 0. And then as you can hear, welcome back to another video today. The audio rises from nothing up to the normal level of 0. So I hope you found this video helpful and hope you managed to fade your audio successfully. If this video did help you, please comment down below and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.